Do you envision piles of cash out there waiting to be given to you because you're a first-time homebuyer? I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but that world doesn't really exist. Hey, I'm Rusty Mortgage here to talk to you about first-time homebuyer misconceptions. Buyers often bring up that they're a first-time homebuyer when we first talk. So I need to ask, what does that mean to them? From an education perspective, I need clients to understand that a first-time homebuyer, by agency definition, is just somebody who hasn't owned a home for 3 years. Some special state or grant programs do require a truly first-time homebuyer status where they've never owned a home before, but those programs are pretty rare. Now, what do you get for being a first-time homebuyer? Well, it depends on how much money you make. Most programs have income limits. So if you're a high earner, the benefit just may be lower or no down payment. If you're a low to moderate income category, then you may have some down payment assistant loans or forgivable grants. If you are a low or very low income and are lucky enough to qualify for a mortgage or live in a market where homes are still affordable to people in the lower spectrum of income, then you may find some community grant programs or what are called shared equity programs. I don't want to say you have to be a unicorn to qualify, but consider you have to have good credit, low enough debt, find an affordable house. All the stars really have to line up for it to work. It just depends on the market you live in. Now, there are some programs like the Federal Home Loan Bank of Cincinnati's Welcome Home Program, which historically has been funded in the spring of every year. In 2025, this program offered $20,000 or $25,000 if you were a veteran or military member in down payment assistance that was fully forgiven after 5 years. The catch is you have to be under contract to apply, and the funds were available for a very short window of time. I want to say days before they were basically all allocated. So you really have to be prepared for something like that in advance and time it well. If you've been misled by people on what it means to be a first-time home buyer, or you have a story of getting lots of free money and I'm wrong, please share it in the comments below.